Peter Pan. Chapter 1. Peter breaks through. Mr. Darling used to boast to Wendy that her mother not only loved him but respected him. He was one of those deep ones who know about stocks and shares. Of course no one really knows, but he quite seemed to know. And he often said stocks were up and shares were down in a way that would have made any woman respect him. Mrs. Darling was married in white, and at first she kept the books perfectly, almost gleefully, as if it were a game. Not so much as a Brussels sprout was missing, but by and by whole cauliflowers dropped out, and instead of them there were pictures of babies without faces. She drew them when she should have been totting up. They were Mrs. Darling's guesses. Wendy came first, then John, then Michael. For a week or two after Wendy came it was doubtful whether they would be able to keep her, as she was another mouth to feed. Mr. Darling was frightfully proud of her, but he was very honorable, and he sat on the edge of Mrs. Darling's bed, holding her hand and calculating expenses, while she looked at him imploringly. She wanted to risk it, come what might, but that was not his way. His way was with a pencil and a piece of paper, and if she confused him with suggestions he had to begin at the beginning again. Now don't interrupt, he would beg of her. I have £1.17 here, and 2 and 6 at the office. I can cut off my coffee at the office. Say 10 shillings, making 2 9 and 6, with your 18 and 3 makes 397, with 5 not in my checkbook, makes 897, who is that moving? 897, and carry 7, don't speak. My own, and the pound you lent to that man who came to the door, quiet, child, and carry child, there, you've done it. Did I say 997? Yes. I said 997, the question is, can we try it for a year on 997? Of course we can, George, she cried. But she was prejudiced in Wendy's favor, and he was really the grander character of the two. Remember Mumps, he warned her almost threateningly, and off he went again. Mumps £1, that is what I have put down, but I dare say it will be more like 30 shillings, don't speak. Measles 1.5, German measles half a guinea, makes 2.15 6, don't waggle your finger, whooping cough, say 15 shillings, and so on it went, and it added up differently each time. But at last Wendy just got through, with mumps reduced to 12.6, and the two kinds of measles treated as one. There was the same excitement over John, and Michael had even a narrower squeak, but both were kept, and soon, you might have seen the three of them going in a row to Miss Folsom's kindergarten school, accompanied by their nurse.